Hello everyone, welcome to this sixth lecture of Introduction to Power Quality and Facts. So, in this lecture, we will be discussing electrical transient. Students, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get latest update and notification of my lecture. Now, moving to the next slide, the contents are isolation transformer, low pass filter, low impedance power conditioner, utility surge arrestor, gapped silicon carbide, gapped MOV, gapless MOV. These are the few contents. Now moving to the next slide. Isolation transformer. An isolation transformer, a transformer with the same number of turns in the primary and secondary coil, is connected between an AC source and AC load. We will measure the same voltage and the same current at both source and load terminal. According to this figure, same voltage and same current will flow both sides. This is isolation transformer. An isolation transformer is a transformer often with symmetrical winding, which is used to decouple two circuits. An isolation transformer allows an AC signal or power to be taken from one device and fed into another without electrically connecting the two circuits. Isolation transformer block transmission of DC signal from one circuit to the other, but allow AC signal to pass. Okay, this is isolation transformer. Now moving to the next slide. In an electrical system, ground loop refers to a current, generally unwanted, in a conductor with two points that are supposed to be at the same potential, often grounded but are actually at different potential. Ground loop can be detrimental to the intended operation of the electrical system. Isolation transformer with electrostatic shield are used for power supplies for sensitive equipment such as computer or laboratory instrument, shown in figure. Now moving to the next slide. What are their advantages? They also block interference caused by ground loop. They also attenuate high frequency noise and transient from one side to other. Voltage notching due to power electronic switching can be eliminated to the load side. Capacitor switching and lightning transient coming from the utility system can be attenuated, and moreover, they allow the user to define a new ground in reference. These are the advantages of isolation transformer. Now moving to the next slide. Low pass filter. A low pass filter is a filter that passes a low frequency signal but attenuates or reduces the amplitude of signal with frequencies higher than the cutoff frequency. Low pass filter are composed of series inductor and parallel capacitor. This LC combination provides a low impedance path to ground for selected resonant frequency. Low pass filter limits transfer of high frequency transient. The inductors help in blocking high frequency transient and force them into the first suppressor. the capacitor limit the rate of rise of the voltage magnitude. Figure 3.15 shows a hybrid transient protector where voltage clamping devices are added in parallel to the capacitor. Okay, parallel to the capacitor. This is the figure. Now, moving to the next slide. Low impedance power conditioner. Switch mode power supplies in modern computer system uses current from the power line in large, brief gulps. They want little or no opposition to their demands for current. By definition, this makes switch mode power supplies a low impedance load. Like an audio system, low impedance load need to be matched with their power source. In this case, system with a switch mode power supply, this source must be low impedance at low line frequencies but offers high impedance to noise and unwanted power disturbance. These modern power supply should never be mismatched with a high impedance. Now, moving to the next slide. These line conditioner provides the best all-round power conditioning and surge protection for sensitive electronic equipment. The integral isolation transformer provides complete isolation between primary and the secondary, and primary bonding its output neutral to ground, which completely eliminate all disturbance between neutral and ground regardless of source. The series inductance of the isolation transformer in combination with capacitive element and MOVs provide superb noise filtering as well as coordinated multi-stage surge protection. Applications: sensitive telecommunications, radio base transmitter stations, industrial and medical equipments, other sensitive specialized microprocessor based equipments. Utility surge arrestor. The three most common surge arresters technology employed by utilities are gapped silicon carbide, gapped MOV, gapped less MOV. Most arrestor manufactured today use a MOV as the main voltage limiting element. The chief ingredient of MOV is zinc oxide ZNO. First, gapped silicon carbide. The older technology arresters uses silicon carbide as the SiC energy dissipating non-linear resistive element. As SiC is not ideal, it is not non-linear enough and thus impose certain design restrictions. It allows the spark gap to clear and resolve without causing a fault and reduced the spark over transient to 50% of the total spark over voltage. Gaps are necessary with the SiCs because an economical SiCs element giving the required discharge voltage is unable to withstand continuous system operating voltage. Gapped MOV. The gapped MOV technology was introduced commercially in the early 90s and accepted in some applications where there is need for increased protective margin. This technology combines resistance, graded gaps, and MOV blocks. It has a lower lightning discharge voltage but has a higher transient over voltage withstand characteristics. And the last, gapless MOV. The recently developed ideal surge arrestor, it is a revolutionary advanced surge protective device for power system. It is constructed by a series combination of zinc oxide element having a highly non-linear resistance. The excellent non-linear characteristic of zinc oxide element has enabled to make surge arrestor without series connected spark gap, that is fully solid state arrestors suitable for system protection up to the highest voltage. It is dimensions so that the peak value of the phase to ground voltage in normal operation never exceeds the sum of the rated voltages of the series connected. Yes, shows the comparative lightning wave discharge voltage characteristic. Okay, thank you.